Welcome back to Bid to Win. We are sure that the last two videos would have given better understanding on the objectives, screens, and how to play the game. In this video, we will play the game and experience the simulated world of project financing. We are in the project list screen, which shows the list of projects available for bidding. We need to carefully evaluate them and choose the right set of projects to bid. The brief project description is the key to analyze. Let's begin to evaluate one after the other. Being a large firm, we would like to approach with a philosophical thought of engaging in large-scale projects. As we are already aware that we have single and multi-lot projects, let's look at one each. Under the single lot category, we choose to go for project ID 60, which is a single lot 1-year project with a minimum bid requirement of 45 crores and a yield of 64 crores with a very less volatility of 2%. Due analysis of the investment as against the volatility and NPV of the return, we decide to bid this project at 50 crores. We recommend you to use the formulae functions in Excel to arrive at the NPV and IRR calculations before taking the decisions. Let us first key in the bid amount of 50 crores and lot as 1 and finally take this project. Having seen a single lot type of a project, let us move for a multi-lot high-value project. We decide to choose project ID 95, which is a multi-lot 6-year multi-contractor project with a minimum requirement of 60 crores per lot and allows a maximum of 3 lots per bidder. The project description, unlike project ID 60, talks about a higher volatility of 26% as against the return of 800 crores. Similarly, as we analysis for project ID 60, we repeat and decide to bid this project at 65 crores and 3 lots. Now let's tick this project. As you tick this project, now you see a pop-up message saying bidding amount limit is exceeded. So let's step into Manage Finance screen. Let's raise 100 crores through equity, as the number of outstanding shares and maximum shares that can be issued is limited to 1 crore at the rate of 100 per share. We should be able to raise 100 crores. Now save the screen. You will get a pop-up saying shares issued, which confirms the issue of equity. Now having raised 100 crores, let's raise further funds for bidding few more projects through debt. Considering the cost of debt, we decide to borrow 250 crores for a tenure of 3 years. Now save the screen. You will get a pop-up loan taken, which confirms the raise of funds through debt route. Having raised 350 crores through debt and equity, let's move to the project list screen to finish our project bidding process. You can now notice that there is an increase in the liability from 5 crores to 17.5 crores. This is due to the cost of paying a dividend of rupees 5 per share, leading to an additional 5 crores and an interest of 7.5 crores. Now we decide to bid project 95 and complete the process. Then we decide to choose project ID 90, which is a multi-lot 3-year multi-contractor project with a minimum requirement of 25 crores per lot and allows a maximum of 5 lots per bidder, which eventually calls for a minimum investment of 125 crores as against the yield of 500 crores. Hence, we decide to bid at 32 crores per lot for 5 lots. Let us key in the bid amount of 32 crores and lots to be 5 and now take this project. Save the screen and go to the next round. We are sorry to note that we are in the last position in the rank list on the overall basis, share prices, and also by net worth. We need to recoup to move up in the ranking ladder. Let us see the firm details to check for the bids that we have won. Good to see two high value projects won by us, which could yield returns in the forthcoming years as the revenues from them are spread over 3 and 6 years. Let's move to Win Bid History screen. To check for the overall won projects, you can note that we have lost project ID 60 in spite of bidding higher. Can you guess why? It is because in the last round, after choosing project 60 and keying in the bid value, we failed to save the data and moved to Manage Finance screen. Hence the data got lost and thereby the project as well. Never make such mistakes. Let's look at the income statement. We have generated a sales of just 15 crores but incurred an expense of 305 crores on the bids 95 and 90 with an outflow of 180 crores and 125 crores respectively, over and above an interest of 7.5 crores on the loan taken. Let's move to the balance sheet, which shows us the cash position and debt positions. Debt 2 indicates that the debt is due in the next financial year and debt 1 indicates the due in the current financial year. Before moving into the project list, let's look at the Manage Finance, which can aid us to understand how much of funds we can raise through equity and debt. From the screen, we understand we would be able to raise funds only through equity route as the debt route is completely closed due to the bad financial position. Let's move on to the project list screen. We choose to go on with project ID 76 and 86. One simple without much ambiguity and the other slightly complex with probability factors. Project ID 76, we decide to bid at 52 crores and a lot of 1 with an expectation that it could yield 60 or 70 crores of cash flow. Project ID 86, a 4-year multi-lot, multi-contractor project with PLMI of 10 crores, talks about a mean cash flow of 150 crores with a standard deviation of 100 crores and also a probability between 20% and 40% over 25 lots with a maximum of 3 lots per bidder. Applying the normalization concepts and equating, we decide to bid at 12.5 crores per lot and 3 lots. Having chosen these two projects, the required funds are well within the permissible limit. Hence, we don't require any funds to be raised. Let's save these projects and go to the next round. It's good to see that we have climbed to the 5th position from the 9th position on the overall rank, share price and as well on the net worth. We recommend you to repeat the similar process for the rest of the rounds. We wish you all the very best and thank you.